カウントいきます。5秒前。4、3、2、1、ゴー。
Hey guys, what's up? So today, I'm not driving, Bilal's driving.
He's never driving!
I'm always driving. So actually today we've got the Integra turboed one and we're going to get remapped again. Hopefully it'll produce more horsepower than before. This time we're going to 10k racing in Leicester at EAS.
Previously known as Garage 76, and just want to really get a health checkup done, a full service, and obviously get one of his maps put on, which hopefully should run better and smoother.
We had our turbo DC5 map from him as well.
The Mugen one.
Yeah, the Mugen one, which was running I think 420, something like that, 420 brake horsepower on a 9 psi map. I think might have been 11. I can't remember off the top of my head, but it's somewhere in JD and Fresh Facebook. Go check it out. Sold that at DC5 now. It was rapid.
So we made it to 10k racing, but instead of getting the car mapped, the starter motor is getting changed. There's our mad mechanic, yes. Oh, we've got Ahmed out here as well, the Vape King, and Ahmed.
It's me.
But yeah, how's your BM doing? It's good. Yes, you sold your C63.
Yeah. Oh, is that your 135i? Yeah.
How is that? It sounds nice.
Be surprised. You need to do a vlog on that.
I'm on it.
When it's ready, anyway.
Come, let's take it out now. Oh yeah, guys, we have to service our cars every month, but you got to service yourself as well, your body. And Yas is gonna tell you what to have for breakfast.
Oat shake, 2 boiled eggs, done.
With dates, with kajur, with dates.
With what? Trim it off, innit?
Bro, I was asking you about my weight, not about my hair, bro.
Why didn't you trim it?
Trim what? I'm proud to be hairy, man.
I'm hairy as well, but...
Man's a gorilla out here.
Say something fun. Pakistani heritage. Wahab Sami.
My new car, guys. Jeez! Yeah.
Like me. I'm not a big man, but I can't do no pull-ups.
You done the pull-ups?
I can, but I can do like 8.
about 30 pull-ups.
Why are you gassing for? Because you're on camera.
I'll do it right now.
Yeah. Okay.
How many presents do you do? Jeez, Bilal, I found you a new car. It's a Rangy. Jeez, let me get into it. There you go, break it.
Wahab Sami. Wahab Sami.
Wahab Sami.
This was the old starter motor. There's some random bombs on it.
Watch out.
Wahab Sami. food?
It's nice,
What
man.
have you got?
I got fried fish and chicken and rice.
Where's the chicken?
I mean, rice and peas.
So guys, basically we have had to go from Leicester all the way to Milton Keynes. It's a 50-mile drive just to get a wastegate because the one on the tag was busted.
Right, so we've just arrived in Milton Keynes just to pick this little up. Now we've got to go back to Leicester. Fun times. Thank you, Bilal.
Diesel, look at that, 40 miles per gallon, and we'll come in here like...
Stage 2 map, 330D, 40 miles per gallon. Why would you want a Honda? Know what I mean? JDM fresh.
Fun. Finally got the wastegate on. Took a while. Now you put the screaming pike back on and I think it should be ready.
This was the wastegate that was on it. Look how rubbish.
It was losing boost because of this.
But now, losing pressure.
Been a long day, guys, but hopefully should be worth it.